important reasons why believers in the Bible should love and pray for Israel. God told us to pray for Israel. In Psalms 122, verse 6, we read, "Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. They shall prosper that love thee. Peace be within thy walls, and prosperity within thy palaces. For my brethren and companions' sake, I will now say, peace be within thee." And in Genesis 12, verse 3, he said, "And I will bless them that bless thee, and curse him that curseth thee. And in you shall all the families of the earth be blessed." And now you know why many people hate Israel, because many people hate God. One of the common accusations about Israel is that Israel is a racist state. I can tell you for sure that is a false accusation, false allegation. That is fake media, extremist propaganda. I have been to Israel. I have seen all practically with my own eyes. I have interacted with both Jews and Arabs. Surprisingly, because of Israel's good conditions and opportunities, Arabs living in Israel cannot accept citizenship of any Arab state. Just recently, Arab Israelis fumed as Trump plan says their towns could become part of Palestine. Arab mayors blasted U.S. peace deal, which gives green light to possible placing of several towns southeast of Haifa under control of future Palestinian state. Leaders and residents of Arab Israeli towns fumed after U.S. President Donald Trump's peace plan proposed including their villages southeast of Haifa in a future Palestinian state. While demonstrating, they kept shouting, "We are citizens of the state of Israel," said Tayyip Mayor Shah Mansour Mashalwa, who blasted the Trump's deal of the century during an interview with the news. This is just one of the many examples I can give, but just know there is a lot of ongoing fake news and fake propaganda, but the truth is, truth will always prevail and truth cannot be defeated.